Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
Today we're going to be teaching you 3 common phrases. The first phrase will enable you to check out a book in a library. The second phrase will enable you to catch a bus. And the third phrase is a classic how to greet a longtime friend or a homeless gypsy person. Are you ready? Have you got out your notebooks? Very good then. Let's move on. Hello, I'd like to get a book from your library.
Zdravo, pičkice! Ja bi da serem u knjigu o tvoj knjižarar. Knjižarar! Pička! Razumeš?
That's hello, I'd like to get a book from your library.
Ja, da serem u knjigu u tvoj knjižarar!
Do you understand me?
Da li me razumeš?
Good then. Let's move on. Excuse me, but where can I catch the next bus into the city? Riba, puši mi kurac. Or if you're in a more professional setting, gospodine, puši mi kurac.
Da ne staneš! Da ne staneš!
Either of those 2 phrases is sure to get you on the next bus out of that town. And now the third phrase. Greeting a homeless gypsy or a longtime friend. Best man at my wedding. How have you been all these years?
Kume! Da li duvaš, kume? Šta duvaš?
Ej, kume! Šta duvaš? Šta duvaš, kurac? Kurac, kume! Ćemo sad vidjeti šta duvaš.
Nemoj duvati više. Mozak će da ti ispadne iz dupetu pizdu materinu. And remember, you can add upičku materinu to every phrase to make it more authentic or familiar. Until next time, I remain Danny from the Gradual Report. Or as I'm better known in Serbian, onaj ludak iz internetu.